Yo, what up everybody, this is Altered Tech. I am back again with another video. I know it's been a while since I've seen you guys, talked to you guys. I do have a special surprise for you. I do have the Moto E5 Cruise and the Moto E5 Supra from Cricket Wireless, and I did get the Alcatel Pulse Mix from Cricket. Now first off, I'm going to do the E5 Cruise, and before I even unbox this, I just want to go through the specs real quick. Now this does come with Android 8.0 Oreo. This does have a 5.2 inch HD screen. As for memory, this is a 16 GB variant. Now as for the connectivity, which is important, you do get 4G LTE, you do have Wi-Fi, there is Bluetooth 4.2, and as for the charging port, you do get a micro USB cable instead of the micro USB-C. Now I would prefer micro USB-C, but that's just my preference. As for the camera, you do get a 8 megapixel camera with a flash and full HD video. And as for the front, you do also get a 5 megapixel camera with flash. Now for the GPS maps, Google Maps, everybody gets Google Maps. Now for the processor, it's a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor. And as for the battery, this is a 2800 milliamp battery, somewhat smaller than the Moto E5 Supra, but it should be able to get you through the whole day. Yo, so before I even start, I just want to give a quick shout out to the Cricket Wireless marketing team for doing such a great job marketing their phones. Now this is the Moto E5 Cruise. This is a different variant than the original Moto E5, and by original I mean like the main model. Now the main model comes with a fingerprint reader and this does not. Alright, so let's open this up. Spoiler alert, I did kind of screw up the first unboxing video, so I'm just going to pretend I'm opening it for the first time. So welcome to Cricket Nation, we're glad you're here. Let's get this phone out. Holy crap, it's already on. Wonder who turned it on. Alright, so let's get connected. Got the smiley face. It's the small things that makes you feel appreciated as a customer. So this is the phone. You do have your, I'm just getting focused. You do have your Motorola branding in the bottom. There is no fingerprint reader anywhere in the back or in the front. You have your camera. It's pretty much flat. It doesn't really stick out. You have your volume rockers on the top. You have your power button, kind of texturized, so you're not gonna confuse which is the volume and which is the power. You do have your Cricket branding in the back. You have your Motorola logo. That's pretty much it. Now, to me, it does feel like a little bit bigger than the last year's Moto E4. It does feel a little bit more wider. If you want to talk about the feel in the hand, I would prefer something that's like a little bit more thinner. The Moto G6 Play, that was the perfect size for me, but it's not too bad. I guess if you're driving in the car, you use car navigation and stuff, it's probably nicer to have something like this. It's all based on preference. Now, into the box, what do we get? You get the terms and conditions. Whoa, this is like a textbook. It's a pretty, whoa. Okay, so we got this, and the quick start guide, and some warranty, I'm guessing, legal stuff. Something else that I appreciate about Motorola, Cricket, is that they do include a quick start guide. And based on my experience, there's a lot of people out there who do not know how to use cell phones and stuff, and this gives you everything you really need to know, like the basics and stuff. The Moto Actions, a lot of people don't know about this. There's so many good features. The quick screenshot, you can shrink your screen if it's too big for you, stop ringing, flip to do not disturb, and you have your notifications. Now the thing that I'm missing on this is that it does not have the flashlight chop to turn on the flashlight, but it does have and it doesn't have the twist to turn on the camera, which is kind of like a bummer. But you can double press the power button and you do get your camera. Pretty cool. Alright, so now we do get the charger brick, and this is a normal micro USB cable. I don't think it's a turbocharger. I think it's just a regular charger. I could do a charge test if you guys want to know how long it takes to charge your phone. Just let me know in the comments. Alright, so now for the phone itself. Now instead of pressing the power button, what I like to do is I just like to pick up the phone, and once you do, the screen turns on. All you gotta do is put your thumb on that lock and swipe up to unlock it. And so far for the performance straight out the box, this is just super smooth. Now I know there's some people out there, they complain after a while, hey, it slows down, it's not that fast. But it all depends on what kind of apps you use on your phone. And how many accounts and all the background stuff that you got running in the back. But for the most part, stock Android is pretty good. Right now, there's no lag. And some of you guys might be wondering about the camera. Double tap. Let's see. So with this, it's the old-fashioned tap to focus, and you can change the exposure. Let's see. Is any more features? Okay, so you get full 1080p with 30 frames per second, and I don't think there's any other. Okay, so now you got your recorder, you got your panorama, I'm guessing, and this. Oh, this is slow motion. I don't know if we had slow motion, and oh, we also do get a pro mode. Oh, this is pretty cool. For a budget phone, you know, being able to have pro mode, that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so as for the bloatware, when you do activate your SIM card on this, you're going to get, you know, a bunch of games and stuff, a bunch of extra stuff that you don't really want. Right now, it does have Facebook, which I'm gonna uninstall, Amazon Shopping. So I guess, like, you know, just to bring the price down, they did include all these things. They had to cut costs somewhere. But overall, this is a very good phone for the most part. Just as long as, you know, if you need something to make calls, text, and browse the internet, I definitely recommend this phone if you're on a low budget. Alright guys, so that's it for the unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright guys, that's it for today. Have a good day. Peace.
If you smell what the rock is cooking.